After answering the first call, you can press the account key to make a second call. Alternatively, press the Hold Soft key and then New Call to place the second call. Additionally, while you are answering the first call, you can press the Answer Soft key to put through the second call. When you are making multiple calls, the screen's upper right will show 2/2, indicating that currently there are altogether 2 calls. The first call is put on hold automatically. You can press the up and down navigation keys to switch to different lines and press the Resume Soft key to resume the call, or you can press the Swap Soft key to switch the talk line directly. When there are multiple registered accounts, you can dial or answer multiple calls with different accounts in the following ways. You can answer a call with account 1 and then press the account key corresponding with account 2 to make a second call. If account 1 is answering a call and account 2 receives a call, you can press the Answer Soft key or press the account key corresponding with account 2 to answer the second call. Alternatively, you can press the up and down navigation keys to switch the line and then press the Resume Soft key to resume talking. Or press the Swap Soft key to switch the talk line directly.